Hey guys, so here's a quick video of the finished outdoor shower assembly I came up with. I used half-inch copper piping and some SharkBite connectors, as well as some copper and soldering stuff to save money, as these SharkBites usually run 10 to 12 bucks a piece. So I did a half and half to save some money. This is going to connect to the outlet hose that I ran under my deck. That's going to be sticking out right there. Little platform to stand on. Simple on and off valve for the shower head. And this runs here, 90-degree angle to the spout for the bottom. And here will be the shower head. Nice and simple. Used some old pressure treated wood that I had left over from the table build. Painted it black. And that's it. I'll show you when it's fully assembled. Alright guys, shower is done. Let me show you what it looks like. Plain and simple shower head. Like I showed you guys before, I ran the pipe through and to the back. We got a control valve here. And I connected this to the house. Ran a fresh pipe. Just so you guys know, I am not leaving this like this under the deck. This is just temporary because I'm going to be redoing my deck. It's all going to be insulated and sealed up correctly. So please don't judge. But as you see, there is no leaks. I already turned the water on. I did not test it yet, so you guys are going to be the first ones to see that. Little spout to fill up buckets and connect the water hose. So let's give it its first test. Oh yeah. Let's try the top. All right. Interesting, it will work. And that's it, got my little outdoor shower. Sorry I didn't make a whole how-to video. I'm pretty sure it's simple enough for you guys to get the idea of how to do it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to answer what I used and so on. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and I got lots of more videos coming out with how-to. Thank you. Shower's ready.